What's going on, guys? A lot of the names on the winning bids were from unfamiliar names, so it looks like there's a lot of first-timers to my break, so welcome. Thanks for bidding. Thanks for winning. Let me know in the comments where you guys are from, who you hope to pull today. I'll get started in about 2 minutes. Usually I start about 3 minutes after posting time just to let the last of the people trickle in, so... Texas, nice. Swift, all right. Portland, ooh, Portland. Hopefully the nice part of Portland. What's up, Randy? You have the Redskins, I'm assuming? Or wait, the Washington football team, whatever. Ravens heat, all right. VA, gotcha. Think you're going to win this weekend? I'm heading to Vegas tomorrow morning with a couple of my buddies. We're just going to bet on the games all weekend. I haven't decided yet what I'm going to do with the Redskins game. Got the Giants, all right, nice. North Carolina, cool, been there. Browns, a lot of comments, all right. Oh, you got the Chargers, okay. You're the guy that picked the Chargers. Good for you. Hopefully I can pull you something. I know with these mega box breaks, it's hit or miss. There's only 60 total cards, so it's a lot of hit and miss. What's up, man? A lot of hit and miss on these mega boxes because you're hunting for the autos, obviously. There's going to be 3 silvers, hopefully 2 of them are rookies, 3 jersey cards, and then 3 autos. Pink parallels also, so hopefully we can hit a couple rookies of those. I did 2 of these same breaks yesterday, so 6 autos total. One of them was a rewards card. Hopefully we can stay away from those reward points. But who are the autos? We had Anthony Gordon, rookie, Seattle quarterback. That it's not worth much. Austin Hooper, Max Unger on the Saints. We got Cortland Sutton and a James Morgan. Those were the ones yesterday. Yeah, good luck, everybody. You have a 1 in 10 chance of pulling an auto, I guess, if you have one team in this. A 1 in 10 chance. Yeah, I'm assuming that I'm leaning toward taking the Buccaneers to cover. They've been just dominating sub 500 teams the last few weeks, like killing them by like 20 or 30, so I have a feeling it's probably going to go that way. But I'm rooting for the Redskins. All right, guys. Good luck, everybody. It's going to be a quick break. I am doing a 2 mega box break tonight, but that is Walmart mega boxes, so those have 40 cards in each. So actually, even though it's only 2 boxes, it'll be more cards in this one, but it will only be 2 autos. And next week, I am doing a ton of gravity breaks with the awesome black and white checkered parallels. So I have 4 boxes of those gravity packs. So those will be fun. Looks like I'm the first one on eBay to do them, and I got a ton of them. All right, guys. Good luck. Like I said, there should be a memorabilia card, which I feel like is in this one. It is. All right. Good luck. Starting off with a Josh Norman. Silver. Let's try making it a rookie. Non-rookie. Blake Jarwin. I get him a lot. Blake Jarwin. Oh, we actually have 5 cards in this. So I guess there. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, usually, it's usually in a different order. All right. Van Jefferson. Base. Got that Blake Jarwin. Yeah, it was messed up in this one. Nate Stanley, so 2 rookies that are both meh. And what do we got? J.K. Dobbins. Somebody asked in the comments for the Ravens Heat. So you got yours right off the bat. Nice hit. JK pink parallel jersey card. All right, pack 2, we got a Phillip Lindsay, Dalvin Cook, Zach Bond. I always know what that color, and it says rookie, it's always Zach Bond. And what do we got? Keyshawn Vaughn. I was hoping that to be a Chase Young. Nothing special in that one. All right, we have a CJ Uzma, Sean Lee, Pink 9, Mike Evans, and Josiah DeGuara, Packers meh card. I think we have the, well, maybe not. Gardner, Tyler Lockett, Laramie Tunzel, Juwan Jennings. So this pack should either be rewards or an auto. Danny Amendola, Teddy Bridgewater. There it is. Xavier McKinney. Nice hit, Giants. I think Giants was in the chat, right? AJ Terrell. I think that's the second Xavier McKinney auto I've pulled. Giants in the chat, I believe, right? You got yourself a Xavier McKinney auto. Pink parallel. Very nice. Nice hit. All right, 1 box down. Well, you just won your break. Back, for sure. Like when we spread around the love a little bit. All right. Jonnu. Michael Vick. Preston Williams, pink. And a T. Higgins. Base. Kalen Ballage. Melvin Ingram. It's a rookie. Oh, there's the auto. Neville Gallimore. Dallas. And a LaVisca behind it. Well, we got 2 rookies for the autos. Not the highest level rookies, but not the worst either. Dallas in the chat. Neville Gallimore. And we have the jersey in this one. Baker. Silver Darnell Savage. Yeah, we did get an extra card in that one pack earlier. Here we go. Chase Claypool. Base. And the jersey is Denzel Mims. Denzel Mims. Chase Claypool base. You got the boys. Nice. Nice hit. David Montgomery. Josh Reynolds. Juwan Jennings. And Josh Uche. Not hitting on the rookies. Base cards. Miles Jack. Darren Waller. Brian Burns. Gabriel Davis. Bills. All right. On to our last box. Yeah, like I said, these megas are like hit and miss for sure. You want those autos or the jersey cards or the pink parallels in rookies. Willie McGinnis. Here's a Christian McCaffrey. Ooh, we'll see what that is. Antoine Winfield. It's an auto and it's purple. Let's not be Nate Stanley. Of course it is. Nate Stanley. I pulled his auto so many freaking times. It's unbelievable. Well, that's anticlimactic with the autos now. We got our 3. They're all 3 rookies, but a bummer of the last one. Isaac Bruce. There we go. Van Jefferson silver. Nice hit for the Rams. A.J. Dillon. Base for the Packers. This one has the jersey in it. That's why I'm kind of going in different orders. Another Denzel Mims. 2 different types. Rookie gear and a premier Denzel Mims. Jets. Jets hitting. Rams. Getting your silver rookie. Probably wanted to be Cam Akers, but... All right, we got Devin Bush, Champ Bailey. It's got the right color. Van Jefferson pink. Man, Van Jefferson's killing it. Jalen Johnson. Rams coming in hot. Mike Gesicki. Eric Kendricks. Marshawn Lattimore, pink. Jared Pinkney. Last pack, guys. Good luck to everybody. Last pack. Sterling Shepard. DeAndre Hopkins. Unique Ngakoue. DJ Dallas. Man, we did not hit on the base rookies at all. All right, I'll do a quick review here. We had a Van Jefferson big winner, pink and the silver. Denzel Mims also the big winner, 2 jersey cards. A.J. Dillon, Claypool, there's the other Denzel Mims. LaVisca, T. Higgins, J.K. Dobbins jersey. And the 3 autos were Nate Stanley, Neville Gallimore, Xavier McKinney. I'll stick around for a minute if anybody has any questions on anything. I'm going to get this shipped out in today. This afternoon, I'm going to ship everything out for you guys. Sorry if you didn't get your hits. It's the way the cookie crumbles with these breaks, especially the Mega Box breaks. But any other questions on anything, guys? Yeah, Jersey Dobbins, not bad. He's tearing it up now. His cards have gone way up in price. All right. Thanks for joining, guys. Take care.